Hey everybody, I've got this mini chainsaw here that I've been using the heck out of, and it is dull. So I'm going to show you how I sharpen this thing. I like using this Vevor Electric Chain Sharpener. So I put the smallest bit that this thing comes with. So it usually will take a 1/8 inch file. So if you have a 1/8 inch file, that's what you're going to want to use. If not, you can get a file kit that contains one. Otherwise, you can use this like me. I recommend you get one of these. I love this thing, and I'll show you why too. Okay, first thing I like to do is just go ahead and get rid of this, because you're going to be wanting to sharpen it on top here. You don't want this swinging back in your way and spring loaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. So you can either remove this or just take a piece of tape and tape it back to the handle there. Okay, we're going to want to hang on to that spring and that fastener for later. Now what I like to do is have my light here. Have a light so you can really see what you're doing over the top of the chain here. But this is nice because you can just move the chain as you go. You're not going to mess up your bar by clamping it in your vise either. So right now, the saw facing this way, we're going to go ahead and sharpen all the ones that are in that direction. Okay, one of the many reasons I like using this thing is that you can really see your angle good as it lines up with the direction of your blade there. I usually like to follow that 30-degree mark. So that means, what does that mean to me? That means I want to make sure that 30-degree mark is parallel with the chain when I have it on there. Right there. So I'll just turn this thing on. First I want to mark a tooth as my starting point. So you got that tooth nice and clean, right angle. Now the next thing to check is the rakers, the height of the rakers. So we've got it sharp there, but we're going to check the distance here and make sure that we've got the same distance across the two teeth for these rakers right here. You can see what I'm looking at there. I'm looking at the raker, kind of looking at the profile view, and they're still looking pretty good. That tooth is going to have plenty of real good there. The tooth is going to have plenty of room to get some bite. So we'll just kind of check this all the way around the saw, same way. Okay, now that we've filed all the teeth that are going this direction, I'm going to pull this out, flip it around on the vise here.